63% of small business websites don't turn their visitors into actual customers. And that is because most either skip email marketing or make it way too complicated. Well, I'm going to show you how hosting your reach makes it super simple and which features actually grow your list and your sales. So let's get into it. Okay, but just before we jump into hosting your reach, let's talk about why you should actually care about email marketing. Well, email marketing delivers one of the highest returns in digital marketing. On average, for every dollar spent, you earn $36 back. But that kind of return only happens when email marketing is done right. That means giving people content that they actually care about and also sending the right message to the right people. Also, it's really important to make sure your emails actually land in their inbox and not in their spam folder. And I mean, most email marketing tools make this way harder than it needs to be. Let's say you've built your website, but when you open your email tool, you're manually uploading your logo, also copying your brand colors, writing emails from scratch, and figuring out what to design. But if you've created your website with Hostinger, either with Hostinger Website Builder or WordPress, Reach eliminates all of those problems. You can connect both platforms with just one single click, and Reach automatically pulls your brand and generates personalized email campaign ideas, and it also suggests exactly what to send. So let me show you how to link Reach with your website in just a few very simple steps. All right, so inside the Hostinger Reach dashboard, just select Connect Site from the left column right here, and then choose Website Builder or WordPress. Just add your site URL here, click Connect, and that's it, you're done. And if you're using Hostinger Website Builder, any existing form submissions will automatically appear under Contacts. And if you're on WordPress, you'll need to connect your forms through the plugin to sync them with Reach. And you can also connect your domain by just going to the profile settings, then domain, and clicking Connect Domain. Now, if you want to try Reach yourself, use this coupon code that's on the screen right now to get started. And if you want more practical guides like this one, make sure to hit that subscribe button. All right, so once your Hostinger website and Reach are both connected, here are the features that make Reach's email marketing automation really stand out. First, we have automatic brand setup. Now, the second you connect your website, Reach automatically fills in your brand details. Now, this is really great because one, you have a ready-to-use setup, and two, the emails you create will have your site's colors and your site's logo. This will save you hours of setup time, remove decision fatigue, and ensure real consistency. And if you want to fine-tune your brand identity manually, just navigate to the brand details page. Now, second, we have AI email templates. Reach creates branded email campaigns based on your website and your goals. Whether it's a welcome series for new subscribers or a product launch announcement, the AI generates copy, layouts, and designs that match your brand exactly to the T. You just chat with AI to edit what you want before hitting send, and that's basically it. Plus, you can now view version history and revert to previous drafts at any time. So no more regretting that paragraph you accidentally deleted. And you can also reorder and duplicate sections directly in the editor, making it super easy to adjust layouts and experiment with different structures before making any actual changes. Third is automatic contact segmentation. If you already have contact form submissions, go to the contacts page in the Reaches panel, and here Reach automatically organizes them into segments based on where they came from and what they're interested in. This makes it a lot easier to target the right audience when you send your emails. And you can also create segments yourself just by chatting with AI, which also makes it really simple. And fourth, weekly campaign ideas. Every single week, Reach suggests 3 ready-made campaign ideas tailored to your business. And you can use this feature to engage new audiences, promote your product, or just share educational content without having to start from scratch. And if you suffer from blank page syndrome, like I personally do, you'll always have a really clear starting point and guidance on what to write. So, I mean, with Hostinger's Reach, you're not just adding email marketing to your toolkit, you're creating an all-in-one system where your website and email work together automatically. Your website builds credibility, and email marketing creates a personal connection with your audience. And guys, make sure to let me know in the comments where you are in your email marketing journey. I will love to hear your thoughts. And if you want to dive deeper, I've added some really helpful tutorials in the description down below, which is everything from sending your first email campaign to improving your email marketing strategy. Now, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.